All right. So there's also an executive's perspective. And so many times an executive keeps his job by making numbers, by making the company profitable. Certainly with CEOs of companies that have boards of directors, CEOs get fired by the board if the company's not doing well. And we know that significant software projects cost multiple millions of dollars. And so an executive might say or think, hey, time is money. The longer it takes, the less return on investment we get for even commissioning the project. And so at some point, I wish I hadn't done this project. Or an executive might say, the software is only one piece of this strategy and this is the only piece of the strategy that's not on track. Or you might say, we can't add another developer. It's not in the budget. Of course, the executive wants to ask, when will it be done? I still don't have an answer. Or, hey, that minor bug that you just called minor, it just cost us a lot of money. Or an executive might say, I have no idea what's going on. I haven't received a status report in ages. Or maybe we need to fire the whole team and start over.
I think this is highlighting just a lot of frustration. Depending on how the executive got to the role, sometimes they might not have any technical acumen and have done a great job getting to where they are, and they've got to rely on another team. Sometimes it's somebody like Jeffrey or myself who came up through the ranks, and we say, it wouldn't take me that long. Why is it taking you so long? And kind of undermining the capabilities of the team. That the software world moves fast. I am an expert in software. However, maybe not the particular use case, the language, and so sometimes we as executives can have a tendency to trivialize someone else's job, and that's off to a good. But it all comes down to me. The fourth bullet point. I'm always like, when's it going to get done? Okay, don't drown me in your technical jargon. Just tell me when it's going to be done. And that's a really loaded, tough question sometimes for the developers to answer, because have I done a good enough job explaining what it is to be done, or do I just think that everybody understands the words that magically come out and it paints a very clear picture? And so the when it will be done, I've caught myself so many times just wanting to know that. Don't tell me all the other stuff. Just when's it going to be done? And that can be a loaded question unto itself. And so it creates these two different perspectives are very hard to reconcile. And so I think Jeffrey's got some ideas here that we'll flip to here in the next few slides.